Hi Priya, how are you? May I have your phone number, please? Bet. Bet. Mary has been living in Hyderabad, blank. They need more time to finish their work. How are you? I am fine, Reach. Reach. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Hello, I am Farhana. I, blank, him yesterday. Feel. Feel. Faraya has been living in New Delhi, blank, 2012. I am fine, thanks. Sheep. Vanita stays, blank, RK Colony in Bangalore. May I? They need more time to finish their work. The blank is so pleasant today. I am fine, thanks. Welcome home. Bet. Wheel. Will. Reach. Reach. We. Mary has been living in Hyderabad, blank, 10 years. 4. Bravo. She is new to the locality. Hello. Vanita stays, blank, RK Colony. Honor. Honor. Faraya has been living in New Delhi, blank, 2012. Since. Nice to meet you. Nice. Where? I stay at Christian Basti.